Is your Neato D4 connected spending more time charging than actually cleaning? Annoying, yes. This frustratingly short runtime is a well-known headache for many Neato D4 owners. More often than not, the culprit is simple: a faulty battery. Like any rechargeable battery, the one in your Neato degrades over time, losing its ability to hold a proper charge. What does this mean for you? Well, mostly flaws that are only partially clean. Your smart robot basically forgets its mission halfway through. It's frustrating, inefficient, and let's face it, kind of defeats the purpose of having an automated cleaner if it needs constant babysitting back to its charger. Don't gamble with safety or wait for the worst. RoboCare provides expert robot vacuum repair. We specialize in Neato D4 connected diagnostics, prevent the worst-case scenario, and restore reliable cleaning power. We don't guess, we diagnose. Our technicians use specialized battery testing equipment to confirm the battery's health and pinpoint the failure. This ensures we're addressing the actual problem efficiently. Our process involves the careful, safe removal of the old, depleted battery, followed by the expert installation of the genuine parts. We ensure proper connections and perform tests to guarantee it charges correctly and holds power as it should. Ready to see the difference a proper battery replacement makes? Let's show you the results. Check it out. Wow. After a RoboCare battery replacement, this Neato D4 connected is back in action, completing full cleaning cycles with power to spare, just like new. Contact RoboCare today. Let our pros handle the charge safely and get your Neato back to cleaning.